So guys, today I'm here in Mr. B and let's try their bulalo if it's good or not. There's a lot of people here. Look at that. So let's try the bulalo. So guys, this is work of 155 this bulalo and yes with rice and one soft drinks and of course it's only rice. So let's try. So guys, if you eat bulalo, you must have this one, the calamansi and chili. Okay. This is the best. Especially when you want to try a Filipino food. Yeah. So let's squeeze the chili. Alright. Oh my god. It's very yummy. So let's try the meat. It's very juicy. Look at it. It's good. And they can serve you a bone marrow. You get bone marrow. Cheers. Oh my god, it's very yummy. The good things here is the meat. The beef is very juicy. Look. It's very tender. Look at this. Oh my god. Work of 150 guys. Amazing. With free soft drinks. This food is 10 out of 10. My god. Perfect. If you really want to try this, yeah, bulalo. So just come here in Quiapo. Just find the place, Mr. B, and this is the place where you can find yummy bulalo, worth of 155 pesos. So guys, look at them. They are eating bulalo. Look how they eat because just 155 pesos on the rice, on the soup, and plus one soft drinks.
If you really want to try Filipino food, just visit Quiapo, Mr. B. Thank you.